What's up, weirdos? Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's having a good day. Hopefully, everybody had a great night last night. Watched the fireworks, had some fun, spent some time with your families, touched some grass, put your portfolio away, or you DCA'd one of the two guys. You can't really go wrong. But either way, I hope everybody had a great Independence Day yesterday, and the weekend continues to roll on here on Saturday. Hopefully, you guys have a great weekend. And yeah, it's expected. It has been expected that we were going to have a bit of a boring, sideways, choppy weekend as everyone kind of steps away, puts their toes in the sand or their spatula on the barbecue or whatever the case might be, right? But we were expecting a little bit of dull action over the weekend, followed by some pumponomics next week. Let's have a look across the market, guys, see what's going on. Jasmi down 1.2% on the day, 8% on the week, 14.8 on the month, and 45.5 on the year. Down one spot in rank to 100, a $581 million market cap, and 20 million in volume. Swift coin down 2% on the day, 3.5 on the week, 14.5 on the month, but up 148% on the year. Down four spots in rank to 311, $103 million market cap, and 720, we'll call it 730,000 in volume. So yeah, Onyx Coin, XCN down 1.5 on the day, 6.8 on the week, 8 on the month, but up 910% on the year. Down two spots in rank to 116, $472 million market cap, and 12 million in volume. And Zebek down 8.7 on the day, 24.5 on the week, 42 on the month, but up 163% on the year. Down seven spots in rank to 183, $237 million market cap, and 19 million in volume. In my opinion, guys, those that are spending this weekend DCAing are going to be very, very happy that they did in the next week or two, right? When the market really starts to move, which I believe it is, people are going to be happy that they took advantage of these opportunities, guys. So, looking at the Bitcoin chart, as I feared, we're now using this level as resistance once again at $108,371. We used it as resistance here, and then we finally broke through, and now we're back below it, and it's acting as resistance again. So I'm not expecting us to break above it until next week. So, yeah. We'll see what happens. But again, there's just not enough activity in the market right now, not enough volume in the space over the weekend because nobody's really here, right? Even the views are atrocious right now across the board. Talked to a few of my other YouTube friends, and yeah, like no one's paying attention this weekend at all. Yesterday was awful, so that's why another reason why we didn't do a live stream in the evening yesterday was just nobody was here anyway. So, but so yeah, I'm not expecting any sharp moves to the upside until next week. That's when I think things will start to move again. As long as we hold in the range that we're in right now, we're fine. This yellow box up here represents a liquidation level that I put in. There's about $30.5 million worth of shorts that are going to get liquidated at this point right here, which is going to cause a short squeeze, which I believe is what we're going to need to break above this all-time high, right? So that's what we'll be watching for on Bitcoin. All right. So yeah, so put your toes in the sand. If you're not DCAing tonight, guys, if you're not buying anything today, if you're not selling anything today, there's not really any point looking at your portfolio today. Stick around for the news and stuff like that, so you know what's going on going into next week. But outside of that, guys, don't stress about it. I wouldn't be sitting there, ripping my hair out because the crypto market's not pumping right now. So just relax. Take it easy. Take it easy. All right, before we get into the news, as we always do, guys, a quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. They got a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet. Fingerprint technology, guys. Use our deal down below. Get a fantastic, use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. So check that out, guys. I use them. Listen, you can take profits on there. You can swap right on there without ever having to move back to a centralized exchange. You can even stake on there, whether it's your crypto or your stable coins. You can stake even right through the bear market, right? right through the bear market. People have been asking me that question a lot lately. Well, can we stake our stable coin in the bear market? And how long can we? And the answer is yes. And you can stake it for the entirety of the bear market until you're ready to redeploy it into crypto. So you can gain your APY right there, again, by using our link down below. Get a great deal, guys. Not your keys, not your coins, right? Okay, so what do we have here? We got some big news for Jasmi and Junction as Chainlink tweets out their blockchain expansion update. Recently, Chainlink has expanded its services across the following chains. And what do we see right here? Yes, that's right. Junction, baby. Junction. That's the partnership we talked about a while ago, partnering up with Chainlink. Big news for Junction. And also, guys, to piggyback off of that, Jasmi with a new listing on Biconomy. They say they're thrilled to announce the listing of Jasmi with the USDT trading pair opening at on April 12th. It goes live. So very, very exciting, guys, as Jasmi gets yet another listing, despite Binance's attempt to destroy them. All right, what else do we have here? Check this out, guys. Can Bitcoin reach $210,000? Peter Chung, head of research at Presto Research, is holding firm at $210,000 this year. Check it out.
Are you sticking to the price target for Bitcoin? Could it go even higher, or I don't know?
I'm sticking with it, yes.
Okay.
So I guess what was kind of surprising to us was how, I guess, stubborn the Jerome Powell has been with the rate decision. And I kind of share the same view with the Trump, I guess.
Trump.
So that was kind of unexpected. So I think that what that did was maybe push the timing of liquidity loosening. And as a result, I think the Bitcoin price is maybe not appreciating as fast as I had expected in December when I made that forecast. But
Right.
I think there are some signs that indicate that the liquidity loosening will happen in the next few months, such as the Trump's tax bill, and also the comments from a few Fed officials been quite dovish recently.
Right.
And also there has been a rule change on the so-called the supplementary leverage ratio in the banking sector, which will allow the banks to hold additional $5 trillion worth of treasuries if it is implemented. So I think considering all of this, there are some reasons to hope that the liquidity conditions will improve substantially in the second half.
Yeah, it's funny. Whenever I make a video talking about rate cuts and stuff like that, now we need to see the rate cuts start. There's always one guy in the comment section that's like, "Oh, if he cuts rates, then the inflation's going to explode again, man. Like, you don't know what you're talking about." Oh, so you're suggesting we just keep rates where they are forever? Then is that the call? Is that your big idea to make life-changing wealth in crypto? If not, I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, guys, that's right. I believe that. I agree with him, and I agree with Trump on this, that I believe that the crypto market price is being somewhat suppressed because Powell is being stubborn and refusing, even though, despite the fact that he was willing to give the Democrats a full basis point cut in a worse economy with higher inflation, but nothing, not a crumb, not even a 25 basis point cut for Trump so far this entire year. That to me screams bias, right? They say they want the Fed independent, but that kind of sounds like it's acting independent, but in a biased manner right now, right? So with no oversight comes stuff like this, right? What else do we have? Check this out, guys. From Crypto Chrome, Ripple becomes a bank. XRP Ripple becoming a bank.
Crypto didn't crash the system or sneak around it. Ripple just rebuilt it and walked straight through the front door. They're applying for a full national bank charter in the US, the kind that opens direct access to the Federal Reserve itself. Think of it like going from driving a car to building the highway everyone else has to use. Ripple already has approval from New York state regulators, but now they want Tier 1 access, a FedMaster account. That's something no other crypto company has ever had. And here's where it gets even bigger. Ripple plans to issue RLUSD, a fully regulated stablecoin, but they don't want to store those reserves at some random bank. They're aiming to hold those reserves directly inside the Federal Reserve. That's like being the only vendor allowed to set up shop inside the airport while everyone else waits in line at the security gate. And while other companies like Tether or PayPal issue stablecoins, Ripple's approach gives them real-time control. They'll be able to mint, burn, and settle RLUSD 24/7 with full institutional trust. This isn't just another payment company. Ripple is turning into something much bigger. A licensed bank, a stablecoin issuer, a liquidity gateway, and a new digital bridge for money to move. And XRP? Think of it like the oil inside this new financial engine. It's not trying to replace banks. It's helping everything run smoother and faster. The old rails are being rebuilt, and Ripple isn't waiting for the banks to adapt. They're building the rails the banks will ride on. Want more crypto videos? Check out.
Absolutely, man. Ripple's making big things happen. I'm bullish on XRP, guys. I hope you're bullish on XRP too. It has irrational haters, and they have people who it's like this. XRP is this weird crypto project where it's like you have these people on one end who of the extreme who hate it for no rational reason whatsoever, because everything they say about it is incorrect and inaccurate. And then you have people on the other end of the spectrum who are completely obsessed and love it so much that they're willing to believe that it's going to $10,000 a coin in the short term. And there's, then there's those of us in the middle who just love the project and we're realistic about price expectations and stuff. So, yeah, it's quite the anomaly there, XRP in the crypto space. Highly controversial project, but we love it here on the channel. Guys, listen, if you're looking for opportunities to make passive income in crypto so that you can quit your job even before you hit a 7-figure portfolio, we have plenty of members over on the Patreon who have already achieved this, who have already made enough passive income every single month in crypto to leave their jobs and just do crypto full time. If this is something you're interested in doing, guys, get over to the Patreon. We just released a first in an never-ending series of passive income opportunity videos that are being released on the Patreon. The first one was released yesterday, so get in there, guys, check it out, and they're going to be coming consistently for passive income opportunities. You can select multiple ways of going through it. They're all crypto related, so you're going to want to check it out, guys. Everyone can do it. You don't have to be a tech genius to figure it out. Plus, we have a phenomenal community of thousands of members in 8 different chat rooms that are there willing to help as well. If you have questions about how to do something or you're struggling with one of our passive income opportunities, come on over to the Patreon, guys. Check it out for yourselves. Set yourself up. Help us help you get out of the 9-to-5 grind that you're stuck in and make passive income through crypto. Check it out today, guys. We're also live every single day over there. We drop educational content. We teach you everything you need to know, from structuring your portfolio to knowing when to take profits, from knowing when not to take profits, to how to do research on projects, how to vet teams, tokenomics, technical analysis, how to use your hot wallets, your cold wallets, your centralized exchanges, your gas fees, and so much more, guys. Come and learn to be the best investor you possibly can, and so much more. We also do open mic weekends where we turn the camera and the microphone over to you, and you have an absolutely blast with the rest of the community. And we drop microcap gems, so much other stuff. We do our daily picks over there as well. You're not going to want to miss our daily crypto picks, and so much more, guys. The link is down below. Check it out for yourselves. Earn that passive income and leave your 9-to-5. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.